Feeling excited to shop together? Let's do a quick recap before you start shopping. Just click on the shop and choose from listing. Browse more to find your preferred items or services. Check your details, make the payment, submit, and you're done. So, what can you shop in Sunway Super App? Buy tickets to the Sunway Theme Parks for an unforgettable day out. You can also head over to Sk8te City in Sunway Putra Mall for some cool skating action. Low on essentials? Just a few clicks on the Sunway Multicare Pharmacy and get it delivered to your doorstep. Get a helping hand from Grabmaid and Maideasy now. TheLorry is here to help with all your moving need. Stay protected with SOS Fastlane for added peace of mind. Explore endless tours and activities options with Klook and Tripcarte. And look no further than our e-deals tailored just for you. There you have it. Start shopping via the Sunway Super App and experience the convenience firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Sunway Super App.